I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone not connecting to Bluetooth devices. So if your phone isn't connecting to Bluetooth devices, it's usually caused by software glitches, interference, or device-specific issues. So here's a step-by-step guide to fix it. The first thing you can do is just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Just go to settings, it's right over here. Just go ahead and open it, and you should see something like this. Scroll down till you find Bluetooth right here. Just go ahead and tap there and make sure it's turned on. You can also try turning it off and turning it back on again to see if it works. Wait a few seconds and just try it on again. If you're on airplane mode, what you need to do is swipe to open Control Center and turn airplane mode on and wait for 10 seconds and turn it off. This resets wireless connections, including Bluetooth. The third thing to do is just restart your iPhone and Bluetooth device. Power off your iPhone and the device you're connecting to, turn both back on and try reconnecting. The last thing to do is just go to settings and tap on Bluetooth here again and select your device that you've previously paired with, and just tap on forget this device and just start pairing again. You can also try keeping your iPhone and device close together to see if any other devices that might be causing signal interference, like microwave or other wireless devices. So make sure it's that. If it's still not working, then you might need to contact Apple or device support. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix iPhone not connecting to Bluetooth devices. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.